So today in this video I'm going to share how to make an envelope. So I hope you will enjoy. So I have here two samples which I made. So this is one and this is two. So this I'm going to show you how to make it. So I hope you will enjoy. Now let's see. So this is how we are going to make envelope. So take any color sheet, or you can take blank sheet as well, and how much length you want you can take it. So yeah, and now let's marking. I'm doing your marking, but marking is totally optional. Your wish, you can do or not do. Okay, after doing that, let's open. You can see the grease line there. Also you have to mark if you are marking up also. Okay, fine. And yeah, so after marking you have to take glue. You can take any glue, and now let's apply it on the both the sides. I have applied glue on the both the sides. Now, and one more thing, you have to apply glue till the line which you have marked, not above it or below it. After applying glue, you have to grease it properly. So you can do with any object like pen, pencil, anything, or even ruler will be the best. You can do it with the hand, that's better. So there is lot of space inside, and yeah, that's going to be best. So I hope you will like it. So now I'm going to decorate it. So you can decorate your envelope anyhow you want. I'm going to decorate it with decorative materials. You can keep it normal as well, it's your choice. Now let me show you how it opens. Yeah, you can see lots of space. There are lots of space. So I hope you will try this. So yeah. So hey, you hope you enjoy this, and now if you would, then like, share and subscribe. Bye.